Hello everyone, this is blankarray. Every day, hundreds of news articles are published, and checking different websites takes a lot of time. So I built this n8n workflow that collects the latest news, use AI to find the stories that actually matter, and send me one clean daily summary on Telegram. It also saves every report automatically in Google Sheets. Here is the full workflow. It has four main parts: collecting the news, cleaning the data, analyzing everything with Gemini, and finally saving and sending the reports. First, I use RSS feeds to collect the news from different categories. I have world news, AI and technology, business, market, and science. These notes give me the latest headlines, article links, publication date, and other information automatically. Because every RSS feeds return its own list, I use these merge nodes to combine everything into one single stream. Now the workflow can process all the articles together. Next, I clean the data, remove duplicates, prevent the same article from being processed multiple times. Then, I sort the article by date and keep only the last 70 headlines. This reduces unnecessary data before sending everything to the AI. Then I aggregate all these headlines into one input. Instead of calling Gemini 70 different times, I can send everything together in one request. This makes the workflow simpler, faster, and cheaper. And this is the most important part of the workflow: Gemini. I don't ask the AI to simply summarize every article. Gemini compare the stories, ignore low value news, detect similar events, and select only the most important story of the day. It also gives each story an important story, create a short summary, explain why it matters, and include the source. So 70 headlines might enter this node, but only the best story appear in the final report. Once the report is ready, I save it in Google Sheets. I store the data, the number of headlines analyzed, and the complete daily digest. This gives me a simple story of every report generated by the workflow. And finally, this Telegram node sends the finished report directly to my account, so I don't even need to open n8n to check the news. Now, let's test it. I'll execute the workflow manually. The workflow analyzed 70 headlines. Gemini selected the important story, and here is the final report. The report has also been saved in Google Sheets. And a few seconds later, I have the completely daily news linked directly onto Telegram. And that's it. Instead of scrolling through dozens of news articles every day, this workflow does the work for me automatically. Thank you for watching. This was the blank array.